What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have an unboxing video from SD Bullion. So I didn't do a YouTube short. Oops, upside down symbol. I didn't do a YouTube short on it. I just did a shout out because it was something I ordered right before I flew out to go see my daughter in Florida, who's in college. So I just got this in the mail right now, and I did open the top. And I probably wasn't going to do a video, like an extensive video on it, but it is from SD Bullion. It just came today, which is, what is today's date? Well, it shipped out the 9th. Today's the 12th, 2 days before Valentine's Day. And I was excited to see inside an actual roll of quarters. So I got, let's see what we got here. So they had a deal with, here's their advertisement they get you. They want to hold your stuff, and they're looking to buy. And here's the card it comes with. So a good company. I've always ordered from them before, but they had a Britannia at spot, which was cool. So, and it's a brand new 2024. So let's take a quick dive into that. Nothing too exciting, but I haven't had a Britannia in a while. And here's what it looks like. Very, very nice looking coin. And it is a coin too. It does have value. And then we got Charles. Got Charles in the back. Where's the date on this thing? 99. I don't know what the Nathan thing. Oh, there it is. 2024. So yeah, guys, that's what the brand new 2024 Britannias look like with the depiction of Charles. Oh, the question arises too, since he just said he's got cancer. If he's not going to be around that long, there was a prior king that wasn't around that long. I don't know, it was Edward something or other. And his coins are worth a lot. And that was back in the 1800s. So I know this is the least popular coin, but now maybe it's going to be the most popular coin. So finding coins with Charles on it, especially British issued or Royal Mint issued coins with his depiction on it, might be worth something if he's no longer with us for quite some time. Again, I don't wish harm on anybody, but that's just how it works. I do have a cut on my finger. I did change the side mirror of my daughter's Volkswagen. I had to order one from eBay. I replaced it. It's the second time she's smashed out her side mirror. The first time was some random place, and then this time was literally backing out of the garage. So anyways, here it is. Here's an actual roll of quarters, which I'm super excited about. I think I got this for $176 and some change. It's weird. They didn't put an invoice. They didn't put an invoice in my thing. But I don't think it's been cheaper since. And it was basically, they showed a depiction, a picture of some dimes or quarters. I'm happy to get quarters. I'd much rather look at a roll of quarters. It's weird that they actually bubble wrap the roll, but I guess it is what it is. Oh man, my other hand's all beat up. All right, so this is what you get. It says unspecified. What does that mean? Very tightly wound. Oh, we got a 1956 on one end, and we got a D mint mark on the other. So let's get this open, shall we? Ooh, we got a whole bunch of variety here. Again, super excited that it's quarters, as I love searching silver quarters. And hopefully we find something cool. If not, it's still a smoking deal. Wow, that's a really, really nice one right there. Look at that. You can tell. That might be a proof. Look at these. Some of these are really, really nice. So that looks BU, that looks BU, that looks BU. And then we got any like real old. Yeah, might have some old ones like that one there. All right, well, let's go one by one here. Some zoom in action. Let's take a peek one at a time. All right, that was the under, the D mint mark. Little 64 common date. Got a poopy one here. 61. 58. Been seen some better days. 58D. And if the coin's nicer, I might look at the D mint marks, because sometimes it's possible to get that RPM, basically like the mint mark's been struck twice. Sometimes those can get you a little bit of premium, but you can normally see with the naked eye if that has occurred or not. I mean, if you got to zoom in on it a lot, it's probably not worth the time. 63D. But I'm excited. I'm glad I got quarters. I'd much rather have quarters than dimes. I don't know why. I just enjoy searching quarters. But I wanted to do this video for others too, because if you've ever ordered from SD Bullion, always wondered what comes in their random quarter rolls. This gives you just a real-life sample, real-life unboxing of what you can possibly get. And it's cool that they're all 64s. Like, that's fine by me. Hopefully we got an older one here. Another D. Yep, these are all 64 so far. We're coming up on that unk-looking one, at least from the side. So nothing too fancy yet. Here's a worn one, a 44. That's a war one, right? 44D. Is that worth something to somebody? Maybe. It's probably worth more than the junk value. Here's a 57D. This is like the roll of Denver mint marks. This one's another worn one. Ooh, an S. San Francisco mint mark. Please be a 32. Please be a 32. 1942 S. Gotta look that up. I don't have my quarters memorized as far as, but I do know like ones from the 40s with actual mint marks might be worth something to somebody that's filling an album. So as goofy as that sounds, I will take the time to research it. And if it does make sense, if it will help someone else out in the hobby, I will list it on eBay. Here, 43D. So we got a 42, a 43, and a 44. We basically have like all these war quarters. That's so cool. Think about it now. That's like over 80, almost 80 years old. Pretty neat. All right, we're getting close to the unk one. Now 57 action. 1951. San Francisco. Is that a rare date? I don't know. Anytime I find San Francisco's, I don't think they're there. Ooh, here's that unk one. Let's see what it looks like, guys. Wow. I bet you it's a 64. That is nice. I don't know. Is that a brilliant uncirculated with some tonnage? I think so. That is nice. So something like this, I want to say is worth at least $8, maybe $9 to somebody. I don't know. So we'll set that aside in the research pile. But see how fun this is. Look at that, 44, Philadelphia. So I got some 40s. That's pretty neat. I wasn't expecting old mint marks or quarters from the 40s. I want to say they're somewhat collectible. Again, conditions, everything. This one's been in someone's makeup. 57. It's very odd. Again, that looks like a quarter that was like in someone's makeup drawer. It's another 42. Man, we got like 5 quarters from the 40s. Here's another one. 6 quarters from the 40s. 46D. That's cool. Like if you had a roll of 40s quarters, you definitely could sell them more than junk. Like people are looking for that kind of stuff to fill up an album. Another 43. Jeez. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 quarters from the 40s. 1950, Denver. $1941. Jeez. Oh, here's that unk one. Here's that other one. Ooh, it's a 58. Is that unky? Is that brilliant uncirculated? Maybe it's about uncirculated. We got some breast feather, Denver mint mark. Man, that's a nice quarter. 58 Denver. That is actually as nice as the 64. I'm going to say it's unk. I'm going to say someone's going to want that if they're doing an uncirculated, shiny quarter album. Another 40s, 1942 Denver mint mark. Very cool. I think we have 10 now. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 10 quarters from the 40s. This is nice. That's a nice one. I would say about uncirculated. So about three uncirculated and 10 from the 40s. Very, very cool. Getting down to the nitty gritty here. I think we got 4 left to search. Is that other unk one? And it's a nice shiny one, but it's not an unk. It's not a brilliant uncirculated. Nice quarter though. It's nice and shiny. Oh, we got 4 more to search here. A 61. Denver mint mark. 64. And 2 left. That is a beat up looking 64. And last but not least, a 56. Denver. All right, well, that concludes my search of the SD Bullion. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe. You'll never know what you're going to find on my channel. I always provide a link in the description of my videos to go directly to make purchase at my eBay store. But I'm going to get these 3 listed. I'm going to get these quarters researched. I might bundle them or might individually list them. Again, these are some nice album fillers. I'm happy that I got 10 quarters from the 40s and a dirt cheap $176 roll of quarters. Again, I haven't spent that little on a junk roll of quarters ever in my entire life. Now, basically, I got back in the hobby in 2019, but I was not buying junk quarters back then. So my last video I think I did on quarters was an Atmex roll, which is pretty epic. I had some from the 30s in that roll, but super nice, brilliant uncirculated, not like ultra nice, but nice to get those in a junk roll, and 10 from the 40s. So what I basically do then is I'll individually list these if they're worth a premium, if someone's willing to pay a little bit extra for them. If you guys need them in your album, just check out my link in the store. I should have a separate Washington quarter section. And then what do I do with these? Well, I will use these to probably make a purchase at my local coin shop and kind of go from there. Maybe that one's almost BU. Maybe we got, oh no, it's not as nice. I mean, it's nice, but it's not as nice. So, but I'll just basically take some junk quarters and use it, and probably use it to turn into a Morgan or something like that. And then this guy here, I'll probably just list. But I was happy, super happy to get this at cost. So after the discounts, and I don't know if SD Bullion's still running this promotion, but after all the discounts, I was literally out the door under $200 for a roll of quarters and a brand new 2024 silver Britannia. So it's a real life review of SD Bullion. SD Bullion, good job. Thank you for sending me quarters. Thank you for sending me a quarter roll with 10 40s quarters in it. 3 nice, 2 very, very nice BU quarters and 1 AU-BU slider. And all these have dates. And thank you for sending it really quickly. So as always, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to show this Silver Eagle, if you've lasted this long in the video, one last time. Yes, this is real. It's not fake. I have it listed for $375 or $350 in my eBay store. I'm probably going to send this in to get graded and add it to my permanent collection of just awesomeness. I think it looks better than my channel around, like by far. So who knows? I might change my channel around to this bad boy. We shall see. Or you guys can just buy it for me, and I'll stop thinking about sending it to get graded. But as always, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.